How to send Canva file in Messenger. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how you can send Canva file in Messenger. Now before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's just dive right into it. First step, open up your Canva and start with the design. So let me just continue. And log into the account and everything. So after you logged back into your account, you can start with your design. So you can always just create a design, or I'll just open up this design right here. Let's just start with this design. Now what you can do here is download it. You can easily download this. What you'll have to do is tap on this download option right here. Again, you can save this as an image. So you can either save this as an image or you can directly start sharing this as well. So there you can see I have already downloaded this. Now I can simply choose the Messenger app from here and send it. After I send it to whomever I want, I can tap on the done button here on the top left. And if you now go to the DMs, you can see that you've just shared the Canva file. Now let's head back here to Canva. And if you press on the top right corner here, you'll also get an option to share the link for this. So you can tap on share link, copy the link, and then you can simply head over to your Messenger and share the link for this as well. And there we go. And that's basically how you do it, guys. That's how you send Canva file in Messenger. Thanks for watching. That is it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like down below, and again, stay tuned for more.